Good morning, solar YouTubers. It is Tuesday, October 21st of 2025. It's about 7 in the morning. That's the start. So I ran my new wave off of the battery. I had 26.5 volts on the battery. I made me scrambled eggs and some sausage. Now I'm running a batch of tea all off the vevor. I unplugged it from the wall because it was using the grid as well. I got a fault code, and the fault code is 04, and 04 is low battery. So a low battery thing, and I'm at 25.9, and I'm gonna run this coffee and see where it goes back up to. So battery was at 25.9, I want to say, and I used my new wave, used it up on 600 watts. It pulled about 659 ish, and the load is almost 1,000. It was over 1,000 watts. That's for the coffee maker. And so today's supposed to be cloudy, partly cloudy. As we can tell, it is another beautiful day. Hopefully it stays like this. So let me turn my kitchen light off. That's my kitchen light. I don't use a lot of overhead lights. So, and the city is up to 100%. So I'm not worried about that light, because that's under load. Coffee's about ready to be done. But that's about it, guys. There's not a whole lot going on. I don't want to say that. So the city's at 100%. That's about it. I'm trying to run everything I can off the batteries. So I don't think I have quite enough watt hours on the batteries. I don't think that's big enough. Nope. Because at least I gotta run the hot plate about 2 times a day, in the morning and for breakfast and supper. My air fryer went to crap last night. So after 2.5 years, maybe 3 years of having the air fryer, the only thing I replaced on it was the basket. It was an Amazon, the bestseller, and it was a good one. I can't complain. It finally went bad, so now I gotta start cooking on the stovetop. New wave. So let me stay with me for a few minutes. When this coffee gets done brewing, tea. Let's see where we are at. I'm not quite done yet. Getting close. Anyway, turn that off and see if I know when you have a load. Okay, so a battery with no load, let's say it's 26 volts. Once you put a load on it, I know that the voltage drops. So we'll see if the voltage comes back up, and hopefully the sun all day long can charge. Yeah, the coffee's about done. Sausage. You gotta go to the patties. So all right, we're done. Got it ramped down. 26.1. No load. My fault. $26.2. So I don't know when that fault code shuts off. The whole unit just kind of, it ramped down quite a bit. Yep, the fan. So we're at 26.2. I don't know why we still have that fault code, but hold on. One day I might get professional and have a nice setup, but I'm not there yet. I'm not doing this to make money. I'm not doing this to get stuff from people. I'm a 52-year-old guy who lives paycheck to paycheck, who's trying to prepare myself for when the stuff hits the fan. Let's say that. I didn't want to cuss. And I do cuss all the time. And the way our government's going, we're just the way the world's going. You just got to prepare yourself. And I don't know what's going to happen. I don't know, civil war or a major power outage somewhere or a terrorist attack somewhere. I don't know. It's just our power grid itself is what we got to really worry about. And I got some emergency pack here. It's not a whole lot. My boss gave it to me. I'm gonna try this one-handed. Yeah, I'm gonna have it one-handed. Hold on. Man, I use all my muscles. Yeah, these little steel packets. They do got your nutritional value. This is an awful lot of carbs. Awful lot of carbs. I try not to eat carbs, not like this. I did yesterday, so it was day before yesterday. Sunday, I had a Burger King. I had a double Whopper. No mayonnaise, no ketchup. See, carbs on that, it's not too bad. And this is the cheese powder. But I got that sitting around just for me, so I'm not going to use a whole lot of that. And if something does happen, go down, I'll go down to one time a day. Still flashing. With a little battery. Let's see what everything's at. Showing 26.3. So it's showing good. Oh, wrong button. No AC. I have nothing plugged into the wall. It's not plugged into the wall at all. No PVs. No. Let's go back up. See how many volts are coming in. We got enough volts coming in. So not to produce anything. Yeah, nothing's going into the battery. Sorry about that. There we go. One more for load. So battery's reading 26.3, and when it's plugged into the wall, that light doesn't come on. The fault light, but fault light came on now because it said low battery. And let me go in here and let's go into the book. I'm quite impressed with this vevor so far. Really impressed. It has a good instruction booklet. Real good. So let me look through this real quick, see if I can find low voltage. I couldn't find nothing in the book, so I don't know. I just wait until solar kicks in and see if solar does anything. I don't want to plug it into the wall and have the wall charge it. So I'm going to leave it unplugged for a day. There she is. You guys got kissies. One more. So we're gonna leave it as that, and it's already 10-minute long video. So my average watch time is like 5, so I'm like double over. So I figured that out today and see what goes on. Hopefully looks like it's gonna be a good charging day again today. I'm gonna get that battery back up needs to be. So all right guys, have a great day.